Hello everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to download and install Adobe Photoshop in Windows 11. So let's just begin. So first of all, we need to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud. So you can see I have typed that in inside my browser. So simply press enter, and the very first link is that we need. Head over to your Adobe Creative Cloud, and it is quite simple to download and install. It is just loading. So you can see this official download Creative Cloud button. Simply click on that. So once you download that and install it, it will be looking something like this. So you can see I have that already onto my computer. So I will be simply now installing Adobe Photoshop from here. So you can see currently all the apps are available, and the install button is also in here. So click on install. Like for example, I have done it to Photoshop, and then we will have this option to open. So that's how easily you can download and install Adobe Photoshop. You can see it is running. So let's just give it a try. So you can see now it is working perfectly fine. You can edit your images and everything. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.